Hello friends, welcome back to this channel, The Student's Diary. If you are a new viewer, please subscribe, like and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the new updates. So today we will discuss some idioms and phrases. Idioms, these are group of words, okay, that express different meaning than what exactly is written. That is called idiom. And remember, idioms make our language so emphatic and so beautiful. Okay, so interesting also. So come on, let's discuss some idioms. First one we have go to hell in a hand basket. इसका मतलब नहीं कि hell को एक basket पकड़ कर जाना है. No, that's not. Because just now we saw that idioms are the group of words that express different meaning than whatever is exactly written. Okay, it means this group of word has different meaning. What is that? It means that to become completely ruined, when someone is completely gone, when someone is completely ruined or destroyed, that time we say that go to hell in a hand basket. हम बोलते ना मैं तो गया, उस टाइम को हमको इस्तेमाल करना है. एग्जाम्पल, he is convinced that the country is going to hell in a hand basket. इसका मतलब नहीं कि हमारा देश और देश क्या हेल को एक बास्केट लेकर जा रहा है. क्या वो रोटियां बनाएंगे क्या? ऐसे नहीं होता है. ओके, सो कम ऑन, hope you understood. Next we have leave no stone unturned. That means making every situation, every moment, or using every situation and every moment for producing something good. Try every possible course of action in order to achieve something is called leave no stone unturned. That means वो एक भी मौका नहीं छोड़ा है. Okay, only a hard-working person can do this. Okay, example, the doctor said he will leave no stone unturned to find a cure for his illness. So now the doctor is convinced to find a way out, to find a solution to his illness, to his disease. Clear? So he will not leave any stone unturned. That means he leaves no stone unturned. Okay, I hope you understood this also. Next we have a shaggy dog. It is a long story, a long joke that has an intentionally silly or meaningless ending. Starts interestingly but ends without any interest, without any meaning. It's ending in so boring. Okay, so let's see to an example. Anushka didn't get the point of Vivek's shaggy dog story. So ऐसे होता है कभी कभी, हम सुनते रहते एक लॉन्ग स्टोरी, फिर बीच में एक क्वेश्चन पूछते, सर ये क्या है, मतलब सिली, बिकॉज इंटरनली सिली और मीनिंगलेस. So the students or others are unable to catch the point, so they too also ask silly questions. Okay, एक long story लेकिन ending केस होता है silly ending होता है. That is what. Okay, now next we have dig deep. What is dig deep? Dig deep means to manage to find a lot of money for something. So making or using every opportunity of life to earn money for some purpose is called dig deep. He dig deep all the situations, he dig deep all the chances he had. That means one who never misses or one who never wastes any chance for making something better. That is called dig deep. We have to dig deep to all the situations in order to achieve something, in order to do something. Okay, that is what. So I hope you understood this. And if you have any doubt, please comment me and please subscribe, like and share my channel. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe. Thank you.